Hello students, today we will be dealing with fundamentals of a computer, that is your first chapter. So please open your textbook and refer it. Okay. Now you have seen computers all around. You have seen people using computers at different places. You must be having computers at your home. You must be using computers. But if I ask you what is a computer, how do you define it? A computer can be defined as an electronic device. Okay, it is an electronic device because it works only with electricity. Without electricity, a computer cannot work. So it is an electronic device that operates following a set of instructions. A set of instructions has to be given to a computer, which will be followed by it. It accepts data in the form of instructions, processes it electronically, and gives out some useful information to us. So this is how we define what is a computer is. Now, this computer have two components. Okay, two components are hardware and software. You know what is hardware? Hardware is something that you can see and touch. Okay, you can see and touch. In a computer set, you can see a monitor, CPU, printers, mouse, keyboards, all these are hardware. And software are those components which you cannot see it or you cannot touch it. First we'll be dealing with hardware portion, so I'll explain about a software in details later on. So now in a hardware we have different types of devices. We have input device, we have output device, we have central processing unit, we have storage devices. We have these four different types of devices as a hardware device. Now we'll describe one after another. What is input device, what is output device, what is CPU or central processing unit, and storage device. If you refer your book regarding the definition of input device, you will be seeing that it is connected with a computer set to give data and instruction, as an input, or command, like mouse or keyboard. When you type something on a keyboard, you will be giving some instruction to a computer. This type of devices which you use to give some command or instruction to a computer is called an input device. Now we have output device also. Output devices are also connected with a computer set, and it gives output of information. When you type some alphabet on a keyboard, it will be displayed on a monitor. This monitor is your output device. It will give some output result of the instruction. That is your output device. We have many output devices like printers, okay, monitors, all these are output devices. Now we have CPU, that is central processing unit. What is central processing unit? A data is processed in a CPU as per the instruction. A data is processed as per the instruction to produce the useful result. Okay, to produce the useful result, data is processed. When you give some instruction to a computer, that will be processed electronically in our central processing unit. We have Core 1, Core i7, all these things, Duo, Core Duo, all these names are some examples of your CPU. And the last type of hardware is your storage device. Storage devices, what does it do? It stores data permanently in your computer. Okay, it is, you can call it as a brain of a computer, where it keeps all your data safe. Hardware devices, these are hardware devices used to store information permanently. For example, we have pen drive, okay, CD, DVD, hard disks, all these are the examples of hardware devices. So for today, you need to know what is hardware, what are the types of hardware, and what are its function, and you need to know what a computer is. So in next class, I'll be discussing regarding a software. Okay, till then, stay at home and be safe. Thank you.